Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my tech channel. Today I'm going to be showing you something I bought off of Amazon. And it's right inside this package here. Let me open it up and show you what it is. Oh, no box cutter needed. So all this is a electrical storage box, and it's from a company named Matin, M-A-T-E-I-N. I was hoping it would be a little bit bigger. We'll see how much things we can fit in here. I have a bunch of electronics laying around and I need somewhere to store them, so I was hoping there would be a lot more space in here. Maybe even twice as tall. That would have been really nice, but let's see what we could do. Let's take a better look at it. It has these like styrofoam dividers. You can take them all out. Pretty cool. So hopefully this could house a lot of equipment. A lot of wires in here. And smaller equipment inside this box. I'm hoping it's just one box is all I need. I don't want to have like a bunch of storage boxes laying around my room. So hopefully I can fit in everything I need to fit in. Here we go. It's a lot of wires there. Let's see what we could do. This thing did a lot better than I expected. When I first opened it out of the box, I thought I got ripped off, but no, this is actually, I'll give it an 8 out of 10. And I'll tell you why. Only cost 30 bucks. Still have space left in it. It's waterproof, very compact and efficient. Amazing material, amazing design. This is nice. 8 out of 10. I got just about everything I put on my table into this package here, and I'm very impressed. Only $30. I'll put the link in the description if you want one. I don't think it's a bad investment if you have a lot of wires laying around. Thank you for watching. Deuces.